Hey guys, so in this video we'll be looking at how we can run and install a React app from Visual Studio Code. So this is the first time we are running an React.js app from Visual Studio. So what all steps you need to follow, we'll just focus on that. So I have opened my Visual Studio Code and I have created one folder with the name React. You can name it whatever you want. So as you can see, the drive wherein I have one folder React, and now we'll be creating our first app. So let me use npx create React app and the name of the app. So let's say emoji interpreter. So like you can give it any name. So this is the name of our new project which we want to create, and this is a CLI command line interface for creating React setup, like React environment. It will create, it will take care of everything for you, like creating a folder structure, JSON file, config file, and all those dependencies it will load. You don't need to worry about anything. Okay, so let me hit enter. And just to give you a proper view, let me move my terminal to right so that you will get an expanded view. So now, as you can see, um, it has installed npx in 12 seconds, and now it is installing packages like React, React DOM, React scripts, right? So, but it will take a couple of minutes as it's saying. So, depending on your internet connection, uh, this time will be decided. Like it's loading all the files and placing on your directory, like local directory. So let's wait for it. So what we are going to do in the session is we'll just fire up once we are finished with all the setup, we'll just fire up the React single page, like first page, and we'll make some changes, maybe more than hello world, or rather we can do a hello world. So successfully we after installing, we'll see if we are able to run the app or not. Okay. So in a matter of time, I'll just pause this video over here and we'll get started once we have everything downloaded. So guys, we are done with the installation part. Everything is done now. As you can see, we got the success message. Now now we are into React directory, React folder, and our setup is being done into this new folder, and we need to navigate to that. So change directory cd emoji interpreter. Okay, and then uh, could not find could not find the path. Let me check what wrong, because it does not exist. But we can see, like, okay, it is under React. Let me check cd emoji interpreter. I just misspelled interpreter. Okay, so let me copy paste it from here. So due to this, I got this error. And now let's start npm start. So this should load up our React page, the page which is there over here. Allow access, and it's loading over here. Localhost at 3000 port. We should see our React homepage. So this is the index page which is being loaded. Let's hijack this and write welcome to React over here. So what we will do is I'll just minimize this. I'll just resize this and let us go to app.js from where we are getting the data on the home page. So this is the section which is being displayed over here. Okay, so what we will do is we will get rid of this code. We'll stay with this logo. It's looking nice, and we'll just edit this these two lines over here. So from edit to learn React. Okay, we'll remove these and we will say be welcome to React. Okay, I'll just hit save and it's compiled and you can see this is called hot loading. So we don't need to refresh the page. As soon as you hit save, it updated the message. Okay, I can show you that side by side over here. Let me minimize this and Visual Studio Code as well. Okay, now let me just put this over here, get rid of the terminal. Mm, okay, and now, so welcome to React. Let me type over have fun. So I have just written have fun, and as soon as I hit Control S, you will see the code updated. So you'll see the page without reloading it, the text got updated. Okay, that's the power of React. So that's all, guys, for this video. We have successfully installed React.js and we have emoji interpreter. We'll be modifying this app and in our upcoming videos. That's all for this video. Subscribe to this channel if in case you like this video. And this is how in Visual Studio you can work with React. Thank you. Happy programming.